Hey guys, welcome back to Fair Iron and Customs. I'm Michael and just got home from work, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun this afternoon, finish getting the wheels on the truck. Look at that sky. My goodness. All right, so I got the front tires put on Sunday. Had a little bit of trouble. The wheel spacers were the lug nuts in the lug studs in the calipers stood a little proud of the face of the wheel adapter, so I had to cut them off about 1/4 inch. I don't think we're gonna have that problem with the back because I think these spacers are a little bigger. Let me get this thing jacked up and we'll get this wheel on. Okay guys, those are fitting really well. I haven't tightened them yet. Just wanted to show y'all there's a couple of bosses on the drum that if you were using this rear end, I am not, you would definitely need to grind those areas down or flatten them out so that it would pull up tight against the hub. These bolts do not sit proud. Like I said, these adapters are slightly larger than the other ones. All right guys, so I got the other side put on. A couple things about this. The lug nuts I ordered, and something that if you ordering these nuts to fit, they fit like Kragers and Keystones and like drag stars and drag lights and anything that has this shouldered hole in it. So I just ordered some with some washers. These washers are too big. They fit on the outside of the hole. So I'm just loosely running the nuts up. If you've got Kragers and Keystones, they have a slot in them, and it'll have a washer that has a hole in the middle, or it'll have a washer that has a hole on one end, and you'll flip it depending on what size pattern you're trying to use. And that's it. Other than that, these are a pain in the tail to put on. You have to start a lug. I'm doing this one-handed. Glenn's standing there. I'll let him hold the camera. And what I do is I get one run up and then line it up like that. And then it's just kind of a fight to keep them all lined up. Those ones on the Keystones and the Kragers that have them slotted holes in them are a total pain in the tail if you've never messed with them before. Anyway, the best thing to do is get two lined up and rock with it. I think there may be some sort of lineup dowels. I don't know, I may have seen something the other day, but this is the way I've always done it. So I'm gonna get this zipped up and we'll come back. All right guys, like I said, we're just having fun today. I got the wheels on the truck. It actually looks pretty good. Glenn and I did some measuring on the suspension wise. The truck needs to come down about 17 inches for the frame to be on the ground. That's gonna put the tire somewhere about the rail of the bed, and it's going to leave me with about 6 inches of bed. So I think I'm going to be happy with that, but we're going to get into that later on. I'm going to kind of let it hang out here and be yard art. We got Mr. Skeleton in the truck there, and we're going to do a little more decorating later on when Mama gets home. And anyway, that's it on this, and we'll bring it back sometime in November.